Mac and cheese is one of those popular side dishes that we love to serve during the holidays. But did you ever consider serving a veggie au gratin instead? It's still packed with all those bubbly cheeses, but instead of being filled with the high carb pasta, it's packed with nutrient rich veggies instead. Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am sharing with you healthy versions of the foods that we love. And today, that being a veggie au gratin. Now in my recipe, I use broccoli and cauliflower. And to increase the protein level, you guys, I am bringing back one of my all-time favorite hits, and that being a creamy cottage cheese. So without further ado, you guys, this is how it's done. You guys, in my household, we absolutely love this recipe. And if you want to boost the protein level even more, then also consider checking out my broccoli and chicken gratin. I'll leave the link up there and also in the description. Absolutely delicious, and you can use that as a full meal instead of a side. So if you're interested in learning how to make other healthy versions of the foods that we love, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. If you enjoy this recipe and if you're enjoying what I am bringing you on this channel, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, and also please share my channel with those who feel would benefit from what we are doing here. And as always, you guys, remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you right here real soon. And thanks for joining me.